guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tulika, health and nutrition life coach. I'm here to help you guys live a happy and healthy life. Today's video is all about a whole day diet plan for weight loss in Indian style. You can eat Indian food whole day and still lose your weight. And for that, you don't need to follow any expensive diet plan. You have to just follow simple easy diet plan. With this diet plan, you can lose your weight in 15 days. But you need to follow this very strictly. In these busy days, we don't have that much time to cook our own food, but it's good to cook our own food. You know that what ingredients are actually in your food, and that's very important. All the recipes I'm going to show you today, all are easy, simple and budget friendly. So let's get into the video. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So keep on watching. As a morning drink, I'm taking here 1 glass of lukewarm water and I'm adding into it few slices of lemon. I'm gonna wait for 2 to 3 minutes and will drink on my empty stomach. You can have only 1 glass of lukewarm water as well. For breakfast, I'm making today besan chilla. For this, I'm taking here gram flour or besan, Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder, asafoetida or hing, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, grated beetroot, grated carrot, grated ginger, minced green chili, and water. At first, I am adding Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder and hing into this gram flour, mixing all this together with the help of a fork. Now I am adding water into this, giving it a good mix, and I'm making sure that there are no lumps left. Now I'm adding into this chopped coriander, grated beetroot, grated carrot, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, ginger and green chilies. Mixing all this. The mixture will be in this consistency, little bit thick, and this mixture is ready here. I'm heating this pan. I'm not gonna add any oil or butter into this. Now adding the batter into this pan and spreading the batter with the help of this fork. I'm gonna cover this with the lid and will cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna turn over this. I'm gonna wait for another 2 minutes and this chilla is ready to be served. Gram flour or besan is rich in vitamin and minerals, packed with fiber, higher in protein than other flours. And with this chilla, you can have all the goodness of the veggies. This is a fulfilling breakfast you can have at morning. 1 besan chilla is enough for 1 person. I'm going to spread some unsalted butter on top of this. It will really enhance the taste of this dish. You can add desi ghee instead of this. You can have this besan chilla with curd or dahi. Even you can have buttermilk. So yeah, this is one of the healthiest and the easiest breakfast you can have, and frankly, this one is one of my favorites. After 1 hour of breakfast, you can have any fruit of your choice. I am having 1 banana. Bananas are rich in fiber, antioxidant and several nutrients. For lunch, I am boiling this brown rice with the eggs. I'm preparing this rice for 3 days. This is an electric steamer and this helps me to cook this rice very quickly. Here I'm taking some sliced carrot. I'm gonna make some chips out of these carrots. Adding little bit Himalayan pink salt into this and dried thyme, it's totally optional. Adding extra virgin coconut oil few drops. Mixing all this with the help of my hand. Placing all the sliced marinated carrot on this baking rack. I'm going to bake this on 250 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. If you don't have oven, don't worry, you can roast this on any pan. And here my rice is totally cooked. I'm taking out all the boiled eggs. This rice is completely cooked. See? Now I'm straining the rice. All the dishes I'm making today for 2 servings and this rice for 3 days. After cooling down, I'm going to store this in an airtight container and going to refrigerate it. It's good to have always cooked rice in your refrigerator in these busy days. Now I'm going to make palak dal. For this I'm taking here 2 dal or lentils. I washed it before and soaked it for 15 minutes. Chopped spinach leaves, chopped onion, chopped tomato, ginger paste, chopped and whole green chilies, whole cumin, asafoetida or hing, Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder and coriander powder. I'm making this dal with ghee. I'm going to add half a spoon of clarified butter or ghee in this pressure cooker. This ghee is completely heated. Now I'm adding into this whole cumin seeds and asafoetida. I'm stirring this little bit. Adding chopped onion, sauteing for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then adding ginger paste into this and the minced green chilies, sauteing for a little bit. Then adding chopped tomatoes into this, again sauteing. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, I am adding here soaked and washed lentil into this pressure cooker, mixing all this together. Adding water. Remember the water level will be little bit high than the other ingredients. Adding the Himalayan pink salt, turmeric powder and coriander powder into this and I am going to mix this all together. Covering the pressure cooker with the lid and I'm going to cook this for 5 whistles. After cooling down, I'm opening the lid. Look, the dal is completely cooked. Again, I'm turning on the oven and I'm going to add all the chopped spinach into this dal. Giving it a good mix and I'm going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Lentils are an excellent source of vitamin B, iron, magnesium, potassium and zinc. They are also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. And spinach is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. So here the palak dal is ready and this is the easiest and healthiest version of my dal cooking. So how simple was it? Now I'm preparing here salads. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding some chopped cucumber, chopped tomato, chopped onion, minced green chili, chopped coriander leaves, adding some lemon juice into this, little bit black salt. Now I'm mixing this all together and the salad will be ready in few seconds. This is super yummy and not at all boring. It's serving time. Always try to eat in a fancy plate or bowl. This helps you to keep your food proportion in control. The proportion of cooked brown rice should be in between 50 grams to 100 grams. This is the lentils with vegetables, so you don't have to cook another vegetable dish because we don't have that much time in busy days. So this is quite simple. Adding sliced 2 boiled eggs, adding the carrot chips, sprinkling some black pepper powder on top of this boiled eggs, and here is the salad. I'm adding some roasted sesame seeds on top of the salads. So yeah, easy, healthy, simple and yummy lunch is ready on your table now. You can pack this in your tiffin box and can enjoy in your office at lunchtime. If you are a vegetarian, then you can add some grilled paneer, soya bean or kidney beans instead of this eggs. After 1 to 2 hours of lunch break, you can have any fruit of your choice. I'm having here orange. This orange is in small in size, that's why I'm having 2 oranges. In evening, if you feel hungry, you can have some puffed rice with roasted peanuts and roasted black chickpeas. Puffed rice is a great option when it comes to desi snacking. Puffed rice has a lot of health benefits like relieve constipation, promote digestion, boost immunity system, regulate blood pressure. It's good for weight loss, strengthen bones, enhance the skin. Peanuts are packed with healthy fats and high quality protein. Black chickpeas are good source of vitamin, minerals, fiber and protein. If you don't feel that much hungry at evening, then you can have only roasted peanuts and roasted black chickpeas. And with this, you can add one cucumber as well. After whole day work, you can have 1 cup of tea or coffee, but remember, don't add sugar into this. If you want, you can add little bit of jaggery powder into this. It's dinner time and I'm making chicken stew in Indian style. For this, I'm taking here chicken. For this recipe, always choose the chicken pieces with the bones. Diced potato, diced carrot, diced French beans, chopped cauliflower, diced onion, diced tomato, minced ginger, minced garlic, and green chilies. In spices, I'm taking here bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, black peppercorn, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper powder, unsalted butter, and water. At first, I'm heating this pot and adding unsalted butter into this. The butter is already melted. Now I'm adding into this bay leaves and all the whole spices. I'm stirring this little bit and my kitchen is now full of this whole spices aromas and I'm loving it. I'm adding into this now onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Sauteing for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now I'm adding the chicken pieces into this. I have washed and dried these chicken pieces before. I'm mixing all the chicken pieces with the spices and the onion, green chilies, garlic and gingers. I'm going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes like this. Then adding all the vegetables into this but not the cauliflowers. Adding tomatoes. Mixing all this together. Now I'm adding 5 to 6 cups of water into this. The water will be covering all the vegetables and chicken. Adding Himalayan pink salt. Giving it a good mix. I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes in low flame. Now after 30 minutes, I'm adding the cauliflowers into this. Cauliflowers takes little time to cook, that's why I'm adding at last into this. Mixing all this together and I'm going to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. This is completely cooked and now I'm turning off the oven and adding black pepper powder into this. Again, I'm mixing all this together and this is ready to be served. Serving it in a bowl, I have made this for 2 servings. Chicken is a great source of protein and good fats. And in this dish, you can have lots of vegetables in there. So this is a complete meal bowl. I don't want to have any rice or chapati or bread with this stew. But if you want to add any chapati or rice, you can add. After a whole day work, my body can get all the nutrition from this bowl. If you're a vegetarian, then you can make this without chicken, the only vegetable stew, and add some grilled paneer on top of this at last. And I think this is the easiest dinner bowl anyone can make. So that's it. That was the video for today. I have made all this food for 2 servings, keep in mind, and I have mentioned all the ingredients list for 2 servings as well. If you want to lose weight, you have to follow this diet plan for 15 days and I'm sure you will notice some difference in your body. If you want to stay fit, stay healthy, be happy, you have to follow a healthy diet. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and please let me know in comment below that which recipe you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye. Stay fit, stay healthy, be happy.